In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to send to front in Figma. Now, you can do this with any type of element in your project. This includes shape, text, icons, and basically any other element. So what the send to front basically means is that you can send a particular element all the way to the front and above any other layer that you have in your project. So for instance, for this example, I'm going to use the text right here, which is currently behind this square. So in order to bring it to front, all I'm going to do is click on the text. Then I'm going to right click and I'm going to look for bring to front option right here. As you can see, the hotkey for this feature right here is also close bracket. So we're going to test that out right after. And just like that, the text is now in front of the shape. So let's just try with the hotkey. So I'm going to open bracket to push to the back. And then if I just press close bracket, it brings it to the front. So once you actually learn these hotkeys, it'll be incredibly easy for you to just go like that, hide it behind, or bring it to the back, and then bring it to the front, and bring it to the back, and then maybe even just the square. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you bring text or any element to front in Figma. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to answer them.